dock. An elephant, oh no! Hickory Dickory Dock. The elephant tried to climb the clock. Hickory Dock.
Hickory Dickory Dock. The deer hopped up the clock. The clock struck 8. The deer hopped down.
Bright parrot flew. Hickory Dickory Dock. The parrot put on the clock. The clock struck 3. It's black and blue free. Hickory Dickory Dock.